Alright guys, I'm here once again with a tip for your arms. Today we're doing Zottman. Is it Zottman? Zottman curls, workout, sort of fit whatever they are. They're called Zottman. These are a good exercise to work the bicep and what people always forget, forearms. They are a good finishing move at the end of your bicep workout, and they hurt. They're good. So let's get on. Right, a Zottman. You probably haven't heard about this unless you're well known into the fitness. A Zottman is a movement where you are doing basically two movements and working two muscles in one. So you get your dumbbells, and what I want to do is palm facing like so, and I want you to lift them up like a normal bicep curl up. Remember to squeeze and have your back straight and you have your posture right, and then what you do is you turn your arms the opposite way and then you go down, right? These are a bit too heavy for me, so I'm just going to get some lighter ones, right? Ooh, I'm in a studio. Look at that girly little things, right? Anyway, what you want to do is you want to lift them up, bicep curl, turn around, and then go down. Or start face palm way, so knuckle way first. Do that, turn around, and then go down. Whichever feels easier. For me, that's easier than the first one. It depends on what you want to work more. Obviously, if you're doing it the bicep way first, you're going to be working your biceps, and then you turn around, and then you're contracting on your forearms. It depends on how strong your forearms are. You might feel a bit weird when you're doing that, because you're actually, it's in a weird angle. So it's up to you. I prefer going this way, because you're working out your forearms, and you should work on your forearms, because if you think about it, your forearms are on show most of the time if you're wearing a shirt, you know. So go up like that as far as you possibly can, turn around your arm, and then lower it down like that. Or do it and then turn it around that way. There's quite a few combinations you could do it. You could do it. So basically that is a Zottman curl. Do your same reps. Like I say, this is a free, and to do your forearms, they can take a bit of a beating, but you can't really do heavy weights on forearms because they are only a small muscle, but of course they get worked hard, so they can do a lot of reps, but you got to be careful, because if you put a big weight on your forearms and you're struggling, you can get injuries like I have done previous. I got tendonitis in my arm, and you do not want that. Anyway, hope you liked my little video. If there's anything else you want to know, leave a comment. If you like it, subscribe if you don't want to miss any more content, and I'll see you again soon.